Bless po.
Hi, God bless you. Ano, kinakabahan ka na ba?
Oh, kami na. Oo nga eh. Kaya kabahan ako eh. Akala ko wala ka. Congratulations.
Aaron, congratulations, Ann. Best wishes to both of you. Pero bukod sa Diyos, andyan palagi sila, kayo makakalimot. Andyan palagi ang inyong pamilya, lalo na ang inyong mga magulang.
Mahal, as I look back, I couldn't help but wonder why you never left. Our relationship was never easy. Ang daming dahilan para sumuko at mapagod. But every time I would ask you, you are choosing to stay with me. You would simply answer, kasi mahal kita.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome Mr. Aaron and Mrs. Rose Ara.
At ang tanging panalangin namin para sa inyo ay yung gustong maranasan ng lahat ng nagmamahal. Ano yun? Yung salitang forever. Hindi man totoo yung they live happily ever after, puno man ng problema at pagsubok ang buhay pag-aasawa, pero huwag kayong bibitaw at susuko dahil totoo yung salitang forever.
To the most amazing girl a man could ever ask for, you came to my life like antigen, a foreign substance came from outside world. So my vessels produce antibody called love, a specific feeling for you. So there is antigen-antibody reaction and I felt happiness and love.
What's in front of me? Still I will trust you. Still I will trust you. Steady
Ma, no matter how much time passes by, I will always be by your side. Sasamahan kita hanggang sa ating pagtanda. I love you and see you. Uy, bagong relo.
Rose Ann, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa itong si Aaron Sam na narinito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
My future wife. Sobrang excited na ako to make more memories with you. Panda Kekok and our future babies. Sabi nga, collect memories, not things. Mahal na mahal kita at excited na rin akong makita ka. Your future husband.
Grabe!
9 years ago, I prayed to God, asking for the right man. Isang taong mamahalin ako ng buo at tapat. Then you came and gave me your very best. My prayers were answered.
Keeps on holding, lead me on. Steady grace that keeps forgiving, steady faith that keeps believing, lead me on.
Ipapasalamat ako kay Bunso dahil ups and down ng buhay namin, kasama namin siya. So, asahan nyo na yung support ko ay laging nasa inyo at alam niyan. Hindi magbabago yung pagtingin ko sa inyo. Turing nyo kung ano yung relasyon nyo ng tatay, ituring nyo ganun din po ako.
Thank you for loving nanay and tatay na parang sarili mong magulang. Sigurado ako, isa sa pinakamasayang tao ngayon ng tatay. And I know, tay, nakikita at nakikiselebrate ka sa akin ngayon.
Constant light, and this is your love, like a river can't be stopped. Your faithful, constant light. Who is like you, God? Your mercy's like the sun, always rising.
Mas lalo pa tayong pinagtibay ng panahon. To my lowest na gustong-gusto ko na mag-give up sa buhay, andyan ka palagi sa tabi ko to cheer me up. Nakakayanin ko lahat ng problema ko kasi andyan ka sa tabi ko.
I promise to give all the love and attentions that you deserve. And lastly, I promise to be always waiting faithfully for you to return home to me at pagluluto ka ng paborito mong adobo, pusit at munggo.
Stop. Your faithful, constant one. Who is like you, God? Your mercy's like the sun, always rising over us. And there is no place that I could run that you won't chase me down. You won't chase me down. And there is no place that I could hide that I will not be found. I will not be found. And there is no place that I could run that you won't chase me down. You won't chase me down. And there is no place that I could hide that I will not be found. I will not be
Groom, you may now kiss the bride.
From now on, your happiness is my happiness. What makes you sad will make me sad more. And what hurts you will hurt me the most. I will hold your hand through this journey and will never let you go. Mahal na mahal kita.